ever made a promise. You absolutely had to keep. Denji, our chainsaw-wielding hero, is facing exactly that. He made a contract, a binding agreement with the Blood Devil, promising to find her again. Um, but what if finding her isn't what he expects? The latest arc has thrown Denji into a desperate battle against Yoru. He's pushed things to the limit, opening a gateway to hell itself. Um, it's a risky move filled with unknown dangers, but it's also his only shot at fulfilling that old promise. Power, a fan favorite, sacrificed herself years ago during the fight with Makima, and her death left a void, not just in the story, but in Denji's heart. Flashbacks remind us of their chaotic bond, and Denji clearly still thinks of her. Devils don't stay gone forever in this world. They always find a way to revive in hell, waiting for a chance to be reborn. Denji has searched everywhere on Earth, but the Blood Devil remains elusive. Um, you know, could hell be her hiding place? With the current arc reaching its climax, loose ends need tying up. The author is known for unpredictable twists, like with Fire Punch. But the parallels between the Makima and Yoru battles suggest a conclusion is near. Bringing power back wouldn't just be fan service. It would elegantly bookend parts 1 and 2, giving Denji a crucial advantage against the War Devil. Or, of course, it could backfire spectacularly, leading to a brand new chaotic status quo. For a long time, the story focused on new characters and threats. There simply wasn't room for a multi-chapter quest to find power. But with Asa sidelined by Yoru's possession, the author finally has the space to revisit old threads. Contracts must be fulfilled in this world, and Denji reuniting with the Blood Devil could create incredible drama, especially if a revived Control Devil throws a wrench into the works. Imagine Denji forced to choose between power and Naichao. There's a heartbreaking possibility that the Blood Devil won't be the power he remembers. He might have to accept that his friend is truly gone, but there's so much potential in bringing her back, it feels inevitable. So is Power's return a sure thing? Probably not. Mutes. But with everything aligning, it's hard to imagine a more perfect setup. It's a promise that has to be kept. You know what they say about devils and promises, they're a real pain in the chainsaw. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,